Alright guys, just finished with the video as far as the baffles go. So the quiets are installed right now, and like the others, you know, it's only a few decibels, I believe. Well, the first thing that I notice, now I'm comparing this to when I put these in my Dyna previously, the quiet baffles in that bike, which it had the 96, had the power vision and all that, you know, other than that stock, it felt really restrictive. I mean, you could almost feel it in the throttle, just like it was choking it down. And honestly, I'm actually not getting that in these. I don't notice any restriction at all. If anything, there's a noticeable increase in torque. I don't know if that's a side effect of these that, you know, they're saying you'll get, which I know it's going to increase the back pressure, so in theory that should increase your torque. Not like astronomical or anything, but I mean, damn, it's I don't mind that. That's Oh, and Happy New Year, everybody. It is January 1st. It's, I don't know, 3 o'clock in the clock. You can see that it's 75 degrees here in Texas. I'm going to enjoy the hell out of this. Man, first time I've been riding without a jacket. But the pipes still sound good. Man, that just blows my mind, because I was totally expecting to cut the caps out of the end of these. All that did with my Dyna, it just, with the packing in there, it kind of helped get rid of the some of the higher pitches in the exhaust note. So, you know, that was welcomed. But I cut the caps out because they were just so stinking restrictive. I mean, it was horrible. I did not like it at all. So this is a good surprise. Huh. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I was planning on doing this ride and then going home, busting out the grinder, cutting those 3 tack welds off, putting them back in, and calling it a day. But interesting. All right. Now I did, I don't know if that video I did the other day, it was just kind of a random jibber jabber like most of these are, and but I did come up with a set of big radius pipes. I got a smoking deal on them, and I will likely be putting those on here soon. And I can actually do the same type of video with those. I will probably get some quiet baffles, maybe, and do the same with them, just to see how it goes. And there's a ton of different you know, baffles. You can put the lollipops in there. You can get the what are they? I just tried to scratch my nose with my face shield down. There's Big City Thunder. I mean, there's a ton of them. I know Harley Dave did this, and he went through several different inserts. He cut the baffles in half and all that, and I can't remember what he wound up going with, but I actually think he's got a different set of pipes now. But anyhow, go check out his channel if you want to see some of those. But I will likely do that in the future. I'm going to give these a run for a while, though, because I am liking this sound. It's, you know, not much different. Takes a little bit of the high pitch out, but it does kind of give it that little bit deeper tone. And But I'm just really surprised that this isn't, you know, just completely choking this bike down. There's no, I'm not losing anything. Like I said, if anything, I've gained a little, and that's always welcome. And I did an auto tune on this the other day, and that was with the stock baffles. It was just with the base tune from Fuel Moto, and I just did one auto tune off of that. It was probably, ooh, somebody's barbecuing. Oh, they got that smoker going. Mesquite, baby. Now I'm sidetracked and hungry. But yeah, they man, I got to be really hungry because I just had a total brain fart. I'm sure it was something very important that I was talking about. Yeah. I got to get some lunch. Yeah, that is a deeper tone. I do like that. But that auto tune, like I said, it was probably somewhere between 30 and 40 minutes, and there was a lot of information on the screen, and but I really didn't get a chance to try it out, because once I did that, it's been a busy weekend. I did some plumbing. I dug a 95-foot trench with a junky shovel. All that's over with now and doesn't mean a damn thing for this video, but I'm just now getting out on the bike again, and it was a nice enough day I figured I'd do this video. Anyhow, yeah, I'm liking this pretty well. 75 degrees on January 1st. Man. Well, so far the year's starting out good. Of course, I got to work tomorrow. The next 7 actually, but it is what it is. Got to make some money to buy the baffles for those big radius. Yeah, I was actually going to go home and let her cool off, go ahead and swap the pipes out. But there you go, Zach. There's your buddy. Playing catch. Yeah, I'm gonna, well, I need to slow down for one. Yeah, there's a stop sign there. Thanks for using it. Well, yield, but whatever. Yeah, this is all right. Well, that's all I've got for this one. Just a quick ride with the quiet baffles in. Yeah, I'm actually liking them. Slightly deeper tone. Definitely not restrictive feeling like the 96 I had was. So yeah, I'm liking this. Couple of pops, but whatever. All right, guys. Well, if I get those big radius on, I'll catch you later. I'll put that up. Those pipes will get on here, so I'm gonna play with these short shots with these quiets right now. All right, sweet. We'll catch y'all later.